What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Finally got the iPad Air 4th generation in hand. Today's video is just a quick unboxing, just a quick overview of what's in the box and what we got so far, the setup process. I decided to go with the 64 gigs. It looks like I'm going to be using an external hard drive with this one. I'll let you know how that goes. This is the space gray model, Wi-Fi and cellular version. There are some other colors, but I just decided to keep it simple and just go with the space gray. I am updating from an iPad 2. Do not ask me where the iPad 2 is. All right, so we finally got this box open. Let's see what we got inside. We got the iPad Air. All right, this is the 11-inch model. So it's in the same chassis as the iPad Pro, the smaller version of the iPad Pro. But let's see what else we got in here. All right, so it looks like we got some paperwork, the USB-C to USB-C adapter, and we also got the charging brick. All right, and that looks like that's about what we're gonna get in the box. So here's the iPad, and I gotta tell you, man, this thing feels good in the hands, man. This thing feels good. If you're looking for media consumption, if you're a student, man, this is just right. This is the right size for the iPad. Personally, I would have preferred the 12.9, but the size of this iPad is just right. We got your speaker grills right there. Yeah. Okay, there's the Apple logo. All right. All right, so the setup process is pretty straightforward. If you've ever purchased like an iPad or an iPhone in the past, Apple's setup process is pretty simple. Seeing if you want to back up anything, connecting to your Wi-Fi, seeing if you want to restore anything from iCloud. So we do have the fingerprint scanner on the iPad this time around. Seems pretty responsive. You get a chance to upload to register 2 fingerprints at the when you first start out. So if you've ever had like an iPhone 8, iPhone 7, iPhone 6, you'll be pretty familiar with the fingerprint scanner. It's pretty much the same thing. And for those who are interested to see how how responsive the Touch ID is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a quick demo right here. It's just a quick tap to touch and it unlocks the device in portrait mode, and you can even turn it to landscape mode. And because I've registered my left finger as well, it's just a quick tap to touch and it goes ahead and opens right up. What's going on, everybody? This was just a quick unboxing of the iPad Air. Go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned for the full review.